Alright, and this is the third part of trying to find a wolf. No luck so far, but hopefully in the third part we'll find one. So, like I said before, I'm Cartman. I'm Chloe. Flying bat. And the cutest Chunkador. Now, we've been thinking about what to do, but, I think we should move. We can't. Why? We're just babies. We can't get out the nest. We're still babies. Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, maybe we could find someone to look across the nest and see if he can find a wolf. And bring up a report back. Or catch it at least. Okay. So Chunkador, you want to do that? Yeah! Let's go. Hey, what's that? Let's go ask it if he wants to help us. Hey! Hi, how's it going? I'm doing good. Can you help us? Well, I'd do anything for a little chipmunk. Now, what do you want? We just want you to go and find a wolf. Okay, I'll go find one. Here we go. Well, he was nice. Hey, guys. What? Come on. I found a guy that was finding a wolf, and he just took off. Okay, then. Okay. Do you want to go see if you can find anything? Sure, why not? She's dumb. Yeah, really, really dumb. Who would go on a quest by themselves? Who knows? I'm going to kidnap her. Let's go. Now, I have to leave a note. Okay. Oh, I'll go spy on them some more, so let's go. Oh, okay. Hey guys, what? Chunkador's, I'm worried about her. She's been gone for a long time. Yeah. Well, there's this note over here. Come check this out. Cartman, you read it. Okay. Dear Cartman, you thought you can find a wolf? Haha. I have kidnapped the fat one. If you ever want to see her again, find me. Love, and there's some sort of paw. Hey, blind bat. What? What kind of paw is that down there? Jiminy Christmas! It's a wolf. A wolf has stolen Chunkador. Let's go find her. Okay, let's go. Wait. Before we begin this, we got to find some help. Hey, there's these two people over here. Let's see if we can help. Hey guys! Hey, what? Let's get down here. Will you help us find our friend? Of course. Well, sure, why not? Hey guys, we forgot one thing. What about Eleanor? What if she figures out her baby is lost? Look out for part 4!